Okay, worker number 60606, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, please take your seat.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good
Please
afternoon.
introduce yourself.
I'm Riel Tan. I'm 29 years old and I'm with living partner and I have
What else then?
yes.
What else, sir?
I'm currently working of my job as welder until now. Ma'am.
Eh,
Your work experience, sir?
Miss Sheila,
Yes, ma'am.
ulitin natin. Na-stuck si sir.
Okay.